Hey there! Today I'm going to walk you through how to fill out the I-821 form for Temporary Protected Status, or TPS. It might seem daunting, but I promise it's manageable. So grab a pen and let's get started. First, you'll need to download the I-821 form from the USCIS website. Once you've got it in front of you, take a deep breath. We're going to tackle this step by step. Part 1 is all about your personal information. Fill in your name, your date of birth, and your country of nationality. Make sure your details match exactly as they appear on your other documents. Double-check for any spelling errors. Next, we'll move to Part 2. This section asks for your date of entry into the US. Be honest and precise. If you have any supporting documentation like your I-94, keep it handy. In Part 3, you'll need to provide information about your residence. This is where you're currently living in the US. If you've moved recently, list your previous addresses too. Now, Part 4 is super important. This part asks about your eligibility for TPS. You'll need to check the boxes that apply to your specific situation. Read each question carefully and answer truthfully. Part 5 is all about your family. Here, you'll list your spouse and children, if applicable. Include their names, dates of birth, and places of birth. This helps USCIS understand your family situation and process your application faster. In Part 6, you might need to provide additional information if you've ever been involved in legal issues. Again, honesty is key here. Don't leave anything out, even if it seems minor. Finally, Part 7 is for your signature. You'll need to sign and date the form. If someone helped you fill it out, they'll need to sign too. Make sure everything is accurate before you send it off. There you have it! Filling out the I-821 form for TPS doesn't have to be overwhelming. Take it one step at a time and don't hesitate to seek help if you need it. Good luck and thanks for watching. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only, so always double check the latest guidelines from USCIS. See you next time.